Namaste and welcome to Stock Learning on Siemens. A close relationship between price and 20 EMA is quite evident here. On every rise, price is leading the 20 EMA, and in a fall, price is clinging on to 20 EMA. In a sense, the movement of 20 EMA is representative of this stock. As a part of our study, we should observe that a lower EMA, when it crosses a higher EMA, that is a price movement upwards. As we will see here now, on 8th July, 20 EMA is crossing 50 EMA. Again, on 14th August, it is crossing 100 EMA. Continuously coming to 15th September, it has crossed even 200 EMA, confirming the upward trend. You will also see even the 50 EMA is crossing 100 on 8th September, and it has crossed 200 EMA on 7th of October. We are using pitchfork based channel for our studies. As you will observe, from 8th July itself, we find the price is making higher high and higher lows. And as you move forward, you find price is shifting from lower half of the channel to higher half of the channel. And this movement of the price is very indicative of the bullish trend it is in. The gradient which we are talking of here, which is widening as compared to the base, is the proof that the movement has been towards the upper side. We will be learning about the movement of average price, how it's moving. From 1232 to 1280, it has shown a positive movement going upwards. Second, we are talking of the quantity. In terms of quantity, there has been a fall from 746 to 421. Third, we are talking of delivery percentage. Higher the delivery percentage, stronger the market and more genuine interest in physical delivery. And here the plus point is 22.4 to 35.9. The delivery percentage has moved quite positively. And the last part of it is quantity per trade. Higher the quantity per trade means lesser number of small players and increase in the number of bigger players. And as we will see here now, 55 days average is 23.6, whereas latest quantity of the first day is 25.2, 22.4. It is around 22, 23, means there has been continued interest of sizable players in the market, and it could be taken as positive in terms of the involvement of big players. A cursory look at the option chain for the month indicates that call and put build up at 1300, and a calculation of minimum pain or minimum gain indicates a level between 1260 and 1280. As compared to the current market price of 1280, these ranges do not suggest any surprises. The share reached a 52-week high at 1717 on 23rd October, and its 52-week low was on 23rd March 2020 at a price of 946, and the total distance traveled is worth 771 rupees, which constitutes 100% of the value to be retraced to regain the 52-week high. At 1279, the current market price, the share has already retraced about 332 rupees from its 52-week low with a Fibonacci retracement of 43%. And that leaves us a potential or the residual of 438 from the level of current price 1279 to the 52-week high of 1717, which is about 34% from the current level. If we have a look at it, the current level of 1279 is at a Fibonacci of 43.2%, and the balance 438, which is the balance to be retraced, it is spread between 50% retracement is plus 53 reaching to 1332, then another 91 for 61.8, and similarly another 130 for 78.6%, and the last balance is 165. The share has potential, but it is all subject to maintenance of the trend. Siemens currently has got a PE of roughly 60, while the sector PE is 42, and what is quite awaited is its September quarter results in view of the poor performance in the earlier quarter due to the ongoing catastrophe. Moving average, we have found it to be quite positive, cutting across bigger moving average by the smaller ones. Channels is higher highs on a continuous basis. Price quantity, prices have moved, quantities have fallen, but delivery percentage has improved, and also the order size per trade has improved involving big players. And short-term data is talking of price movement around the current prevailing price, and Fibonacci is 43.2%, and it suggests a good potential and scope for benefiting provided the current trend continues. It's a quality stock, but very rich in valuation, as evident from the price earning ratios. Thank you so much. Thanks a lot.